Hey everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this creamy, delicious, healthy plantain porridge. Alright, so our ingredients are as follows. We have 1 medium green plantain, rose water, vanilla extract, almond essence, and we go easy with the almond essence because we don't want it to overpower our porridge. I have some oats here, and this is just rolled oats, but any kind can be used because we'll be blending it. And here I have my coconut milk. The consistency of the coconut milk might look a bit funny because this is homemade coconut milk that was frozen, but never mind how it looks, the taste is still excellent. And you don't have to use homemade, of course, store-bought can be used as well. I have some water and some almond milk, and feel free to use any other type of milk. This is just my personal preference. And you can adjust the amount of milk or water as long as the ratio of liquid to dry ingredients is the same. Your porridge should turn out fine. Alright, and here I have my spices. I have my cinnamon stick. If you have the dried cinnamon leaf, that can be used as well. Sometimes I alternate between the two. I also have cinnamon powder here. Yes, I use both the stick and the powder. I have my nutmeg. Fresh is best, it makes a difference, but if you don't have it, you can use whatever you have available. And here I have some salt. And you can check the description below for full details of the recipe. So I have my stove on medium and I'm going to add my water. My cinnamon stick and my salt. And then I'm going to cover and allow it to come to a boil so as to extract some of that flavor from the cinnamon stick. In the meantime, I'm going to blend the rest of my ingredients. So in order to peel the plantain, you want to cut off both ends. And you use one of the grooves here as a guide and slice from one end to the next. And you don't slice all the way, just to the thickness of the skin, if that makes sense. And then you use your thumb and lift the skin off like so. If you're having any issues getting the skin off or lifting the skin, you can always use your knife and ease the skin off like this, and then you peel. So now I'm going to spice up my porridge. So in goes my cinnamon, my nutmeg, vanilla, rose water, and almond essence. And I'm going to allow my porridge to boil for at least 10 minutes. Now, whenever you're making porridge, you want to stir often in order to avoid any lumps. Your porridge should have a very smooth consistency when you're done. You can allow it to boil either covered or uncovered. If you cover your porridge, you'll have more condensation, so you'll end up with a thinner consistency, whereas if you boil it uncovered, your porridge will be a little bit more thick. So you want to bear that in mind. So I'm going to allow mine to boil uncovered. And like I said before, you want to make sure that you stir your porridge consistently or often. You don't want any lumps, neither do you want your porridge to start to stick to the bottom of your pot. And generally I boil all my porridges for a minimum of 15 minutes. And I'm keeping my stove on medium-low heat. If your porridge is looking too thick for your liking, you can always add some more liquid, whether it be milk or water.
And there you have it, guys, green plantain porridge. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it to be helpful. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't done so as yet. It helps the channel out a lot. Join us in reaching the first 1,000 subscribers. Remember to hit the bell icon so you will know when I upload every Wednesday. Special welcome to all my subscribers and to all my oldies but goodies. I appreciate you all as well. Tag and follow me on Instagram at JUENFO_ if you give this or any of my other recipes a try. I have a playlist with all my porridge recipes, so check that out in the description and at the end of the video. All my other socials are also linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.